Here are 3 incredible features for RV Life Trip Wizard, and one of them may be a secret. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Let's get started with our first feature, route dragging. You can plan your trips with RV Life Trip Wizard, but if you wanted to change your route, click drag route and drag your route to the road that you want, and RV Life Trip Wizard will do the rest. And if you want to remove a waypoint, just click the trash can under the stop. When you're finished and you're happy, make sure you turn route dragging back on. Next feature, after you've set everything up and you're ready to go, and you happen to notice that the fuel prices have changed, what do? This couldn't be any easier to change. Just head back into your trip planner under the expenses tab, enter your new fuel price, and select recalculate all stops and finish. And it will recalculate all of your stops. Isn't that just amazing? Here's a fun secret feature for you. Did you know that in the RV Life Trip Wizard platform, you're able to overlay the weather? So when you're inside the Trip Wizard platform, click on weather, and from here you'll be able to see exactly what is going on. I can't tell you how important it is that you know the weather. Well, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did any of these tips help you out? Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.